just to add a little bit more to what I was saying about 5.2, and we were talking about the high school completion rates. Here, this table says factors that affect high school completion rates for 2000. And so we have the completion rates, we have salary, I would imagine of the teachers and administration, pupil to teacher ratio, that's very important. Here at Co-Lin, I think we have a 14 pupil to teacher ratio, something like that, so that's pretty low. Expenditures, just so we can check out Mississippi. Here's our low completion rate, but you can also see, what do you see the salary compared to all these other salaries? You got 32, well, there's 36, there's 32, but you got a lot of 40s and 50s and high 30s, and so sometimes, even though most educators are not in education for money, it is very appealing if you live near a state line and you can just get a job in a different state and make $8,000 more a year. That's kind of a big deal. That does affect your quality of life. So salaries definitely would bring in, say, maybe some better teachers that can market themselves, and then of course I think that would affect graduation rates and things like that. But look here. So this scatter plot pretty much just shot down what I said, because this is a scatter plot of the teachers' salaries and completion rates, and they're all across the board. They're everywhere. It's not like as the salary goes up, the completion rate doesn't always go up, because you see this low salary here with higher completion rates as well. So there's no relationship, or not a strong relationship, between those two variables. The way that I was thinking in my mind was that, if you can pay more in the state, maybe that you get more, or you get better teachers, which could increase completion rates. But I was completely wrong. So you can't just always assume that there's going to be some type of relationship, especially if it's anticipated like I just was.